Hello, legends. I hope everyone is doing well. Today, I'm going to update my long term view on Bitcoin. As you can see, this is the yearly time frame, and as we discussed before, we take this up candle to form a resistance area. So, here's the open of 21 yearly open is here, and we take a horizontal line from this level. So, it is a potential level of resistance for us. Now we zoom into monthly time frame. So 21 yearly open is acting as a resistance. It acted as a support before, and now it's acting as a resistance area. So in monthly time frame, we should not see any monthly close above this level. So we will be bearish for the lower prices. Well, and this level of resistance will act to form a top on this up move and cause the price to go lower and make maybe a lower low around this area, which is 12K, or back to this strange lows. If we take this monthly order block on here and take this low, we can see that this are key level of uh, resist support and resistance that we should be looking in coming months. What I expect is Bitcoin will go lower in the second half of this year, and the first level will be around this range low, which is 70K, 17K, and the next level will be 12K. By the end of this year, these two levels can be possible. Why? Because on the monthly and weekly time frame we are still within this range, and as long as this resistance is acting as a resistance, we can go lower to this range low and possibly this 12K area. Now we zoom into weekly time frame. As you can see, this weekly time frame is getting close as a bearish engulfing candle. But beside that, we have here, before this up move, we had a down candle. This down candle was our order block and acted as support. But once price went below this level, it flipped into breaker, bearish breaker, and now it's acting as a resistance area on Bitcoin. As you can see, once price tagged this level, it got rejected. So if beside this breaker block, we have this bearish order block that has also acted as a resistance. So as long as this weekly candle can close like this below this 21 yearly open, we can expect that Bitcoin will go lower and trade this range. Now we zoom into daily time frame. The daily time frame, there are quite a beautiful price action that I will discuss on. The first thing you should consider is that in here we had this fuzz of ranging fuzz, and at first I thought that price might fall lower from this level as this is a resistance area, and I was expecting for lower prices from this yearly open. But what price did was it did a ranging fuzz, which is now a distribution fuzz, and 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 after that it pumped up for formed a fuzz of manipulation, and now it's doing the extension fuzz, which may cause the price to go lower. So what does it mean? It means that according to the ICT power of 3, price doesn't uh, do extension or do reversal after just doing a ranging fuzz. Uh, why? Because many people has placed their stop losses on the other side. So if it directly falls or goes up from a support after forming a range, that will be an easy play for traders. But what the price mostly do is doing the manipulation fast, taking the stops above this level, and after that it does the extension. So we can see that here as well. So this portion of price action, it can be called different things according to different traders and concepts. According to ICT, this can be called manipulation or turtle soup, which got liquidity from this level and then the manipulation falls. It can be also called SFP, swing failure pattern, or deviation. Above this 21 yearly open. Similar thing happened in here below this low, which we had some manipulation falls, and after that we started to do the extension falls. So similar to this, this price action, we have a similar price action here, which is manipulation, SFP or deviation. And now we will be doing the extension falls, which is this falls of power of 3. Therefore, to sum up my idea on Bitcoin, according to the yearly monthly chart, we have this 21 yearly open, this black line, and we have this weekly breaker block that price has tapped. So price went below this 21 yearly open but couldn't stay here and continued to go up. So this was a deviation or manipulation, and now it's back below this 21 yearly open. So here's the next target. The next level is this 17k, and inside these two levels is the range, and the mid-range of this range will be around here. So what we should expect from Bitcoin is that it done the deviation on the upside of this range, and now it can go lower, uh, and at least to the mid-range of this level, which is around 24k, 25k, and after that it can go to this 17k and probably even to 12k by the end of this year. So this is the long-term view on Bitcoin. For further confluence, I will use some trend lines, and I will show you my trading zone for coming week where I will be looking to short Bitcoin. We have this trend line. It acted as a resistance in here and it flipped to be support in here. Now price went below this, so it can be as a resistance area for now. And as long as Bitcoin price is below this trend line and below this 21 yearly open, we can expect this mid-range of this high and low. So the mid-range is 24, 25k, 24k. And the first target can be here. But if we go to the lower time frame, the initial target is the liquidity below this 26k. This is the first target and this is the second target. So to determine our trading zone, I will go into lower time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. And here you can see we had this up move and then this down move. So what has caused this up move was this accumulation, but before that we had this quite small down move, and before that we had this up candle. So this up candle was initially order block, but once price went above that it flipped to breaker block, and now this green candle can act as a level of resistance for Bitcoin and possible zone for shorting Bitcoin. So this is the level I will be looking for setups to enter a short on Bitcoin. And the initial target can be the liquidity below this level, and the next target will be around here, 25k. For more confluence, you can use this trading channel. If we take this two lows to farm trend line and extend this to this level. You can see that Bitcoin is trading within this channel. It has acted as support, resistance, resistance. Now it can act as a support once again around here. So the first level of support on the daily time frame can be this green zone, which is the mid level of this channel, also the middle of this range. From this high to this low, the middle is here, which has acted as a resistance area for many times, and now it can be support area. Once Bitcoin price goes below this level, it can trade back down to this level, which is around here, and possibly to this range low around 17k. But for now, we have this trading zone and possible level to short Bitcoin. Take this out and target this level. In case Bitcoin trades back above this 21 yearly open and stays here, it can go up once again to this zone, resistance zone, and probably will take liquidity from above this level. So there's liquidity, buy side liquidity, and it might take that once again, and after taking that it will come back inside this trading channel, and once it gets back below this level, then we can target lower prices. So this is the plan for Bitcoin, and this is the zone I'm looking to open a short in coming week. Okay, now we are done with Bitcoin and we go to the 222 chart to see how altcoins will perform in coming days and weeks. This ranges from this previous cycle, so we don't have any business with this level for now, as long as this total two price is above that. But what is important for us is these two levels. As I have shared before, once this total two price went above this black zone, black line, I was expecting it to go higher and take liquidity from this high and this high around this level. So it didn't went that much high. It went up to the middle of this level and got rejected and made a swing failure pattern. So if it could not reclaim this black line, I think this will be the top for altcoins, and it will cause altcoins to go lower and form lower prices on their charts. So currently I'm bearish on altcoins and will wait if they can get back above this line, but if they do not do that and it stays below this line, I will expect lower prices on altcoin and might think that this deviation is the top for altcoins and they will go lower to form a new low or maybe to tag their range lows. This is what I'm expecting in coming weeks for Bitcoin and altcoins. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.